I'm James Francis Sulmaca from RTU Boni Chapter. Civil engineering student po ako as of now. Tapos,
Anong year?
Third year na. Third year regular student.
Bakit ka nandito ngayon?
Para po mag-audition for hosting.
Kung halimbawa kukunin ka ng UNTV, ano yung maibibigay mo sa UNTV? Ano yung maibibigay mo sa show and sa station?
Ang contribute ko po sa show mas yung pagiging model sa lahat ng kabataan, na makakita sila ng isang kabataan na talagang yung tinatawag na iba dun sa kabataan na nakikita nila sa labas, maging modelo sa mga kabataan.
This is the sound.
I've seen beautiful faces, been to many places in my journey through all those years. I've seen so many eyes with joy and loneliness, sparkling tears of sorrow and laughter. I've seen wrongs, I've seen right, and there are struggles and fight, but I know that we can work things out if we try very hard to make our dreams come alive. Then it will be alright. In my eyes you'll see how beautiful life can be. In my eyes you'll be a witness to reality. Oh, the whisper of hope keeps us running to our goal, and the Maker is our inspiration. The pictures of life, there's something to realize, what pretenders ignore to see. Take a look at